Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my last video, I have shown you how to create a Facebook group. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete a Facebook group. Before proceeding to our today's video, please leave a like on our video, share it with your friends, comment below if you have any suggestions or queries. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more. Hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now, without any delay, let's go to our today's video. Log into your Facebook from any browser and you will find groups on your left hand side. You may have more than one group that you manage. As you can see, I have only one group that I manage. Go to your group that you want to delete. Now, before I show you how to delete the group, I just want to add over here that if you have more than one member, then you will be needing to remove them one by one in order to be able to delete your group at once. In my case, since it is just a demo group for you all, I already have myself as a member. Since I do not have more than one member, I can directly delete the group without removing anyone. You can find the icon joined, which is on your right hand side. Click on that and you can find delete group, which is over here. Click on delete group and Facebook will ask if you are sure about deleting your group. As you are the last member, leaving now will also delete this group. Click on delete group and your group will be deleted. I hope my video was informative. Feel free to suggest us for our new videos. Don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification whenever you upload something new.